Good day, everybody. The fourth edition of All Saints International MUN, and there's great deal of satisfaction in the manner things have proceeded. Worldwide participation, delegates coming from US, UK, and some of the African countries were here. Besides, we've had widespread participation throughout Rajasthan, from UP, Maharashtra, North India, many other states. So it's been like a mini Kumbh, so to say, where people converge from all walks of life, diverse participation of students from different places, and it has been a wonderful experience as ever. Because right since the very first edition that we had pre-COVID, you have to prepare for it at least 2 to 3 months in advance. There has to be a secretariat of MUN headed by the Secretary General, who is appointed specifically for the purpose. And then all the spade work, the hard work, everything that goes into it, that results in a wonderful fruitification of holding this event. Now, why MUN? Like in the olden days, we used to have, intra-house competitions, inter-school competitions, dance competitions, and singing, and debates and drama. Yes, some of these, like debates, they still persist, and which is okay. That's a welcome situation. But recently, we realized, particularly in Europe and America, they had come up with this concept of Model United Nations. As of today, at All Saints, we look forward to having nurturing, developing global citizens. It's not about being a localite, it's not about being belonging to merely a state. We are proud Indians, of course, but then Indians, they rule half the world at least, because more than 20 multinationals, unicorns, they are being headed by Indians. Why so? Because they have been fine tuned, they have been trained, they have been so developed that today they're doing honors to the country, to the world, and they are amongst the best anywhere in the world.
But a scarcity of democracy. As a responsible member of the global community, Austria recognizes the gravity of these challenges and is actively engaged in finding solutions for a healthier and more sustainable world. Nepal firmly believes that efforts are necessary to address the issue and safeguard its activities.
I feel like it's a very nice MUN because as this is one of my first MUN, it's a nice opportunity for me to learn more about other MUNs and like grow so in the future I can be better at MUNs.
It's actually quite versatile, quite diverse. We get to see other countries interacting with us and understanding different viewpoints. And I feel like we're achieving the agenda what the MUN is actually.
I'm actually Jane from Presidency School, Ajmer, and it's my first time for MUN and it's such a great experience. We got to learn the diplomatic skills and the way we are debating, putting up views on the topic is such a great experience. Thank you.
I feel like MUNs are just a great experience in general. I feel like MUN really enjoy it.
For me, MUN is always a very fruitful and great journey because of the level of debates that includes and the legal sanctions you can put against other countries. It's very fun and a fruitful.
Energy which was here, I think it was almost palpable, tangible, and the kind of the degree of involvement this MUN has supplemented to us. I think it's incredible. It's amazing. Actually.
Hello, my name is Kashmir Isma and I'm from St. Mary's Convent. And it is my first time to attend MUN and I'm very happy to be here because it's a mesmerizing experience. The MUN also gives an opportunity to many children who is expecting to be the future leaders, and I think this is a very fruitful place to become and to come and to grow. And I am very happy to be here and thank you MUN for inviting us.
This is what we are trying to nurture at All Saints. and we have been largely successful. I'm happy to share number of our students, they are in the Ivy League universities worldwide like Yale, London School of Economics, Warwick, name it and we have it.
It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of the International All Saints MUN 4.0. This is an incredible event as we see delegates from not only India but also from the United Kingdom, the United States and various other countries. I'm extremely thrilled to be back here and I request all the participants to enjoy and make the most of All Saints MUN 4.0.
Hi, my name is Rajvi Arora and I attended the ASI MUN 4th edition for the past 2 days. I've been attending it and it's been a wonderful experience here, being a part of different committees and seeing different committees of the UN play around and debate on certain important topics. It was an invaluable experience being a part of ASI MUN 4th edition. And I was a part of DICET, which is one of the committees of the UN, and I was representing Finland, and we talked about the different disarmaments, acts and everything, and it was a wonderful experience talking to delegates from different countries, representing different countries like the UK, US, and overall it was a great experience being a part of ASI.
So at Model United Nations, like United Nations, which is a one body, we all know how it functions. Countries worldwide, they have their problems, they have discussions, they have the resolutions, the solutions, the vetoes, so many things. Like we have the Indian Parliament, it's the World Parliament. So question is, all these things you have to, when you're talking of global citizens, you have to keep your students abreast with the latest in the country, with the latest in the world. And I'm happy to say Model United Nations functions parallel or on the same lines as United Nations. संयुक्त राष्ट्र जैसे चलता है, बिल्कुल उसी तरह मॉडल यूनाइटेड नेशंस की एक परिकल्पना है, इस पे एक प्रयास होता है, बच्चे मेहनत करते हैं, सारी तैयारियां होती हैं, सेक्रेटरी जनरल होते हैं जैसे यूनाइटेड नेशंस के होते हैं. सो इट्स अ लॉन्ग एक्सरसाइज, डिटेल्ड एक्सरसाइज, and children work, students work for it, they are trained, they are fine-tuned. Fortunately, some of the members of our management, they have been trained, they received their education abroad, so they learned of all these when they were in Europe and America. And also our students, ex-students came back, they also helped us out. So a rich alumni base, that also is there to help the students, their fellow juniors. Now all that has resulted in a top class international MUN of All Saints, and we've had 4 editions including pre and post COVID. Committees that we had at the recently held, like one committee was UNHRC, Human Rights Council. So we've been, the world has been facing a crisis in the form of Israel-Hamas conflict. Then similarly there is the Russia-Ukraine conflict. So there have been frequent allegations and counter-allegations of human rights violations. So when you get all these flashes in the newspapers, social media, TV channels, everywhere, children should be readily able to relate what are human rights, what is the rights charter worldwide, how they are to follow, how the world citizens are supposed to follow, and what if they are violated. Then there's the Security Council, another committee. Security Council, anything like the war presently that is being debated, there are resolutions being passed, people are debating the pros, the cons, the highs, the lows, the violations, and massacre of civilians, all these things they have been, and there have been resolutions, vetoes, and Russia on one side, America on another, all this heated debate, the temperature rises, hot, top quality debates taking place. You are traveling beyond ordinary debates. You are traveling beyond normal knowledge. You are innovating, improvising, using wits, doing everything, knowing about the rules worldwide. This is the latest, this is what we talk of globalization of students. All these children are so amazed. The best way to learn is from your own history, from your own mistakes. You learning all this, you are debating all this. When children learn of all this, they are far more intelligent, far more enlightened. They know where the country stands. It's not mere blind patriotism. We are all patriots. They are taught to be patriots. It's in their blood. Question is, be well informed. जो नई से नई चीज हो रही है दुनिया में, जो सारी दुनिया की समस्याएं हैं, जो आपका रीसेंट पास्ट का अनुभव है, जो पिछली 50 वर्षों का अनुभव है, 70 वर्षों का अनुभव है, इनसे आपने क्या सीखा, वो सीख के आगे कैसे लागू करेंगे. Often we say, the PM should have done this, the US should have done this, USSR should have done this. You are getting all the material ready on record before you. You read that. आपने वो सब पढ़ा है, आपने सब तैयारी की, आप नेक्स्ट लेवल पर जाइए. नॉलेज इज पावर. नॉलेज है तो आपके पास पावर है. नॉलेज इज पावर. सिंपल इज दैट. मूव टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. आप बच्चों को सिर्फ पुस्तक कीट बनाकर और उनको आगे बढ़ाकर, देखिए यूपीएससी के एक चेयरमैन साहब का मैं एक बार इंटरव्यू सुन रहा था कुछ साल पहले. उन्होंने कहा हमें जीनियसिस की जरूरत नहीं है. हम यूपीएससी में जो आईएएस और ये सब सिलेक्शंस करते हैं, हमें जीनियसिस की जरूरत नहीं है. We need well-informed people with robust common sense. They should be able to handle problems. They should be well-informed. They should be able to analyze. They should be able to decipher. किसी चीज का विश्लेषण विवेचन करके मौके पर सही निर्णय लेना, इस प्रकार की जिम्मेदारियां होती हैं आईएएस की. आप 99.99% के परसेंटाइल के साथ हो सकता है आए हो, फिर भी हो सकता है आपका चयन ना हो. क्यों? क्योंकि कॉमन सेंस मिसिंग था. ये सब चीजें आपको सिखाई जा रही हैं एमयूएन में. एक विलक्षण और अद्वितीय ऑल सेंट्स एमयूएन. आप देखिए इंडिया में सेकंड लार्जेस्ट एमयूएन है ऑल सेंट्स का, विद इंटरनेशनल पार्टिसिपेशन. लोग कोई ऐसे मजाक में यूएस से या यूके से इंडिया नहीं आ रहा है. एमयूएन तो वहां भी होते हैं. यहां तक क्यों आ रहे? आपने एक ब्रांड बिल्ड की है और ईमानदारी से उसको जिया है, और न्यूट्रल जजेस हैं. कोई बड़ौदा से आ रहे हैं, कोई नागपुर से आ रहे हैं, कोई लखनऊ से आ रहे हैं, वो जजेस किसी को जानते ही नहीं. परफॉर्मेंस ओरिएंटेड है सारा. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल एक्सरसाइज, इल्यूमिनेटिंग एक्सरसाइज. यस, सो पीपल फ्लॉक टू अ पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड ऑफ ऑल सेंट्स because they know it is the best in this part of the world. The students have been working hard. Ojas sir, we have, he studied at Warwick. He learned all this, and he came here. He said we should be starting MUN. So the first time I heard, I said, okay, what is it? Then he explained to me. We did exercise. We planned internally. We organized it inter-house. Developed our students and team. This was discussed with principal ma'am, Mrs. Jayakumar. It was taken up. It went down well. It was convincing, and we said, okay, let's move to the next step. Whatever is the latest in the world, why not give it to our students? So we worked on that. We developed a team. Students were trained, teachers were trained, everybody learned. And once we had the necessary infra in place for this MUN, Model United Nations, then we sent an invitation to other schools also to participate. That was Pan-India invitation. So number of schools, they contacted us, they got back to us and said, look, it seems to be a new concept. Can you send a team to train our students and teachers? So we sent our students and teams to different schools who demanded, and there were 2-day sessions over there. They were taught how it was done, what were the basics, what were the rules, how is it followed, what are to be done. So all those things were looked into, what was to be done. And eventually MUN took off in this part of the world. And let me talk about the curtain raiser that we had. There was a flash mob, there were dances, there was a presentation of cultural events, and students had been preparing for it. And एक सारा उत्सव का सा ऐसा माहौल था, इतना हाईली रिजुविनेटिंग, एकदम आपका बिल्कुल एड्रेनालिन हाई, एकदम से ऊपर आपका हैप्पीनेस कोशेंट हाई, जोश खरोश उमंग, युवा सारे एक साथ, एकदम बिल्कुल युवा महाकुंभ की तरह जिस जोश खरोश के साथ ये तैयारी हुई, जितना शानदार परफॉर्मेंस हुए बच्चों के, शानदार एक से एक बढ़ के परफॉर्मेंसेज हुए, एक बिल्कुल चार चांद लगाने वाली घटना है विद्यार्थी जीवन के लिए, सिर्फ ऑल सेंट्स के लिए नहीं, जो लोग आए उनका भी इस्तकबाल, सबका एक एक, इसमें कोई एक जना नहीं जीता, हम सब जीते। वर्तमान जनरेशन जी, जो भी बच्चे अलग अलग स्कूलों से आए, सब ने बहुत सीखा। So, full credit to the team that we have, headed by Mrs. Jaya Kumar, then Ojas sir, then wonderful team of teachers. Everybody is deeply immersed. बिल्कुल आकंठ डूबे हुए हैं कि हमें बिल्कुल बहुत शानदार बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंस देना है, एक इतना अच्छा फंक्शन आयोजित करें कि आने वाले कई दशकों तक जो भी बच्चे यहाँ पर अटेंड करके गए हैं उनके लिए आने वाले कई दशकों तक एक बहुत ही मधुर स्मरणीय घटना हो कि वहाँ क्या शानदार इवेंट था, क्या पार्टिसिपेशन था, क्या हमने अपने वाद विवाद के, क्या हमने अपने वाचन के, क्या हमने अपनी तैयारियों के कितने शब्द बाण चलाए, सामने से कितना प्रतिकार हुआ, कितना जबरदस्त तैयारी से लोग आए समूचे भारत से और बाहर से भी लोग आ रहे हैं। तो आप देखिए आपकी इंटरमिंगलिंग, आपका उनका मिक्सअप, लर्निंग ऑफ डिफरेंट कल्चर्स, लर्निंग ऑफ एक संस्कृति को सीख रहे हैं आप, दूसरी उनके यहाँ कैसा है, आपके यहाँ कैसा है, यही तो आप चाहते हैं ग्लोबल सिटीजन को सिखाना। सिर्फ मैं नहीं, आई मी माई सेल्फ नहीं, वी ऑल ऑफ अस ऑल शल टुगेदर सबका साथ लेकर सबका विकास, आप भी डेवलप हो, हम भी डेवलप हो, यही हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी कहते हैं, सबका साथ सबका विकास। आप इसको धरा पर उतार रहे हैं, बच्चे सीख रहे हैं, बच्चे आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। दिस इज इंटरनेशनल एमयूएन, ऑल सेंट्स इंटरनेशनल एमयूएन is the flagship event not only of All Saints but amongst the best in whole of North India, and we are proud of it.